What if I told you there's a tiny fruit that's not just delicious, but also has the power to reprogram your DNA and design your future? No, it's not a miracle berry, but it's pretty darn close. Welcome to the world of kiwi. All right, let's dive into why kiwi is like having a personal shopper for your future self. First off, kiwi is your gut's best friend. Your gut has a ton of bacteria, some good and some bad. Kiwi promotes the growth of good bacteria, making your gut a happy place. And guess what? A happy gut means a happy you. It improves your mood, your energy, and even the way you think. It's like having a built-in life coach inside your stomach. Next up, kiwi is loaded with fiber, which is like having a personal trainer for your digestion. Fiber keeps things moving smoothly, flushes out toxins, and helps you maintain a healthy weight. Plus, it gives you long-lasting energy, so you can crush your goals without feeling like you're re-dragging an anchor. But wait, there's more. Kiwi is like a personal chef for your immune system. It's packed with vitamin C, which is like a shield against stress and illness. One kiwi has more vitamin C than an entire bag of oranges. That is like having your own personal army of vitamin C soldiers ready to fight off any nasty bugs that come your way. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Eating just 1 to 2 kiwis a day can help repair your DNA. You heard that right. Kiwi has the power to fix the very building blocks of your body. But how does it do that? Well, kiwi is full of nutrients like folate, potassium, copper, antioxidants, polyphenols, and carotenoids. All these nutrients work together to help your body's natural repair processes. Folate, for example, supports cell growth and development. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Copper boosts the immune system. Antioxidants fight harmful molecules called free radicals that can damage cells. Together, they form a powerful team that helps you look and feel your best. Remember, your thoughts shape your future, but your nutrition fuels it. Kiwi isn't just a fruit, it's a powerhouse that supports your body's incredible journey. So go ahead, embrace the weird, wonderful kiwi, and let it be your partner in creating the life you want to live. And remember, small changes like adding kiwi to your daily diet can have a big impact on your future self. So don't wait. Start today and see where your kiwi journey takes you.